Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss one of the simplest LeetCode problem, container with most water. You will be given an integer array of length n. The array can be represented like as shown here in the graphical view. Each array element represents a line here as shown here. All we need to do here is identify two lines which forms a container. Take these two lines, this portion is forming a container. Now similarly we'll take this line and this line. Now this portion is forming a container. Now identify a container or two lines which stores maximum amount of the water. Please note that you cannot slant the container. So this is the problem statement. Let's discuss the solution. This is our input array and its graphical view is here. First we will discuss brute force way. We will take two nested loops. The outer loop is starting from index 0 from here. The inner loop is going to start from one step after the outer loop index, which means from index 1 onwards. Now these two lines are forming a container. We will fill water till here. Anything beyond this point is an overflow. We can consider the shortest line as the container height. No matter how big the other line is, we can only fill water till here, not beyond this point. Let's calculate container area. Height is 1 multiplied by width, which is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So the area is 1. We'll track it aside. We will move this pointer here in the next iteration. The possible container is this. Its area is 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, bigger than its value, current value. Let's update here. Now if we keep moving this pointer in every iteration, finally it will move here. The possible max container we can form with these two lines are this one. The max area by the time we reach here is going to be 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. It's going to be 8 here. In the next outer loop iteration, the pointer will start from here and inner loop pointer will start from index 2. This is the possible container we can form here. We will calculate its area. We will update its value, max value, if the calculated area is bigger than this. Like this, we will calculate the container area in every iteration to identify max area. This is brute force way. The time complexity is order of n square in worst case. Now we will discuss another approach with linear time complexity, which is order of n. In this approach, we will be iterating over the array only once. We will use two pointers. One pointer will be at index 0 and another pointer will be at the last index here. Now these two lines are going to form a container. This is the possible container we can form. Let's calculate the area. The smallest line is 1. The width is 8 minus 0 equal to 8. So 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. We'll track this area aside. Max equal to 8. Let's change the pointer position before moving to next iteration. In order to improve the max area, we will progress the pointer at shortest height. 1 is the shortest right now. Increment this pointer position by 1. It will be here after the change. Since 7 is shortest out of these two heights, this is the possible container it can form. Let's calculate area. 7 is shortest. The width is 8 minus 1, which is 7. 7 multiplied by 7 equal to 49. Since 49 is bigger than 8, update here. Since 7 is shortest one here, we will move this pointer one position. So the pointer will be here. Since 3 is shortest between these two lines, this is the possible container it can form. The width is 7 minus 1, which is 6. The area is 3 multiplied by 6 equal to 18. Since 18 is less than 49, no need to update this value here. Now, since 3 is the shortest height, let's move this pointer one position here. Now the pointer will be here. Both heights are same, 8 and 8. This is the possible container it can form. The width is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Since 40 is still less than 49, no need to update this value here. Now, since both pointers are at the same height, move any one of the pointer. We will move this first pointer to here. It is at index 2. 6 is the shortest compared to 8. So this is the possible container it is going to form. The width is 6 minus 2, which is 4. 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 24, which is still less than 49. We will continue these iterations until both pointers reaches same index. Once both pointers are pointing the same index, we will exit the loop and return the max variable value. So this is the logic. Hope you understood. The time complexity is order of n, which is linear time complexity. Let's write code now. I have already copied the method signature from LeetCode. Let's validate the input array height. We are returning 0 if the input array is either null or its length is less than 2. Let's initialize few variables. Left pointer will be at index 0. Right pointer will be at the last index. Let's iterate using while loop until both pointers are not crossing each other. We'll use while loop here. Find the shortest height. Now calculate the area and update max variable value if it is higher than its current max value. Update pointers accordingly. Increment left pointer if its height is smaller, or decrement right pointer if its height is smaller. Finally, return the max value after the while loop. I have already written main method to save some time. We are passing input array to max area function. Let's run. We can see the expected result 49 here. So this is the solution for LeetCode problem, container with most water. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.